We're going to start off. Did you watch the geometric video this morning? Okay, perfect. All right, so now I'm just going to go over some shapes with you. When you see this shape, just say the name of the shape and then I will tell you what it is. Rhombus, hexagon, pentagon, triangle, square, rectangle, circle, oval, and trapezoid. Thumbs up, everyone. Good job. Okay, so yesterday we're going to talk about how many sides a shape has and how many vertices. So if you have this page right here, down here for Tuesday, okay, please get this page ready. Good job. Thank you, Manuel. Please get that page ready. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this is what shape, my friends? Okay, we are going to count and label the sides, okay? So I would like you to take your finger and your page, and I want you to trace the sides on your page as I do it on my board. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to label them with a pencil. 1, 2. Go ahead and label them when I label them, okay? 3, 4. All right, perfect. When you are finished labeling the sides of the square, give me a thumbs up. Good job. All right. All right, underneath it has a line, and then you see the word sides? You guys are very good readers. So I want you to put 4 sides. The square has 4 sides. Go ahead and write that down. All right, now, what is a vertice? Now, you guys might have watched it this morning, but a vertice is where 2 sides connect. So watch here. I'm going to make a circle. It's like the corner right there. That is 1 vertice or vertex. 2, and you guys can put little circles in the corners as well. 3, 4. So, how many vertices does a square have? 4. Very good. I'm going to label them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, a square has 4 vertices. Now go ahead and write that down underneath your square where it has a line and then the word vertice. Good job. All right, thumbs up when you are finished with that. Good. We are going to move on to the triangle, everyone. So if you have the sheet, if you have the lesson plan printed up, go ahead and move on to the triangle. If not, if you have a piece of paper, boys and girls, go ahead and just draw a triangle just like Mrs. Pettit did right there. All right, first let's take our fingers and count how many sides a triangle has. Everyone put your finger up. Okay, now let's trace the sides of the triangle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, can we label the sides of a triangle now? Well, let's write it. 1, 2, and 3. So boys and girls, how many sides does a triangle have? Awesome. I see some friends showing me fingers of how many sides a triangle has. You are so smart. Down here on the line, can you write 3 sides? Good job, Colton. All right, let's move on to how many vertices. Do you remember what a vertice is? A vertice is where 2 sides come together to make a point, okay? Let's put a circle on the vertices. All right, everybody. 1, 2, and 3. So how many vertices does a triangle have? 3. Oh, fantastic, my friends. Let's label that. 1, 2, and 3. Great job. Hi, Brian. Good morning. We are doing this part right here, sweetie. If you want to go ahead and get your page, we are on the circle, okay? All right. So, my friends, down here where it has the line and it has how many vertices, write the number 3. Thumbs up if you are finished with that. All right, now a trapezoid, my friends, we're going to count them, but look, it has, does everyone see this on their page? All right, take your finger. We're going to trace it first, okay? Let's start up here in this top corner. Ready? Across, down on an angle, back, and go back up. Okay, now let's count the sides. Can we label them? All right, let's start on the top. 1 side, go ahead. 2 sides. 3. And 4. So boys and girls, how many sides does a trapezoid have? Excellent. Put that down here on the line, please, where it says line and then sides. A trapezoid has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, are we ready to count the vertices? The vertice is where 2 sides or 2 lines connect. So we're going to put little circles to represent the vertices. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, my friends, show me with your fingers. How many vertices does a trapezoid have? Very good. 4, my friends, 4. So put that down here on this line. 4 vertices. Great job. All right. All right, let's move on. We are going to move on to the rectangle. Now, like I said, you can draw a rectangle if you do not have the sheet or the document to work on. Not a big deal. But look, my friends, a rectangle, it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. All right, so let's take our finger and we're going to trace the rectangle first. Point your finger, ready? Let's start in the top left-hand corner. Go across, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's label them now. Here we go. Let's start at the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4. My friend, a rectangle has 4 sides. Go ahead and write that down on the line below the rectangle. All right, let's count the vertices. Now remember the vertex is where 2 lines come to a point. We're going to make circles on the vertices and label them. 1, 2, 'Brian, do you have your paper and your pencil, honey? You can do it when Mrs. Pettit does it, okay? 3, and 4. Okay, boys and girls, how many vertices does a rectangle have? Show me with your fingers, please. Yes, very good, 4. Can you put that on the line down here? A rectangle has 4 vertices. Great job, friends. All right, we're going to move on. Okay, this time we're going to do, this one's a little challenging to draw if you do not have the packet, but I don't doubt that you can't do it. This is a pentagon. When you look at a pentagon, it has 5 sides. What do you think it looks like? Maybe like a house? I saw Easton, he said house. Good job. Okay, we're going to start at the top, okay? And we are going to trace the pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. Let's have your pointer finger ready. Let's start at the top. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're going to label them, okay? So get your pencil. We're going to start up here at this line, this side right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boys and girls, show me with your hands. How many sides does a pentagon have? Excellent. 5 sides. Can you write that number on the line down here? And a pentagon has 5 sides. Good job, Zanaya. It looks beautiful. I'm so proud of all of you. All right, let's count the vertices, okay? Remember, a vertice is 2 sides that come together to make a point, okay? So we're going to show the vertices by drawing circles on them. Here we go. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great. How many vertices does a pentagon have? Excellent. Very good. Down here, can you write that on the line? A pentagon has 5 vertices. Great. All right, we're going to move on to the rhombus. All right, ready? What do you think a rhombus looks like? What do you think a rhombus looks like? It can look like maybe a diamond, right? Or, very good. It can look like a kite. How many of you have flown a kite before? Okay. All right, let's count the sides first. Can we get our pointer finger ready first? Let's start at the top. Are we ready? Count with Mrs. Pettit. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now let's label the sides, okay? So let's start right here. 1, 2, 3, How many sides does a rhombus have? Very good. Can you put that on the line down here for me, please? 4 sides. Great job. Let's count the vertices, okay? So let's see. We're going to put circles around the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. So can we write that down here? A rhombus has 4 vertices. Can everyone say rhombus? Good job. All right, we have one more, my friends, and this one is a hexagon. Let's see. Hexagon, hexagon. Let Mrs. Pettit draw it real quick, okay? So a hexagon okay. All right, is everyone on the hexagon? Let's do our pointer finger first, okay? Let's start up here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, let's label it. Are we ready? Let's start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many sides or lines does a hexagon have? 6. Excellent. Everyone write that on the line down here, please. All right, let's count the vertices. Remember, we are going to use circles, okay? A vertice is where the 2 lines or sides meet to form a point. So let's go ahead and draw lines to it to show the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great. My friends, a hexagon has 6 vertices. If you could put that down here, okay, on the line, that would be fantastic. All right. What we're going to do now is we're going to move on to foundations. But just like in the classroom, boys and girls, we need to get our bodies moving. We can't sit for a very long period of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to screen present my screen, and we're going to do 2 Heidi songs, and then we're going to move on, okay? So everybody stand up. All right. All righty. And here we go. I want you to do these dances.
Into my ear, into my clothes, I-N-T-O. Into my hair, into my toes, I-N-T-O. No matter what, everyone knows, I-N-T-O. Don't put your finger into your nose, I-N-T-O. Into my ear, into my clothes, I-N-T-O. Into my hair, into my toes, I-N-T-O. No matter what, everyone knows, I-N-T-O. Don't put your finger into your nose, I-N-T-O.
right, good job, boys and girls. Okay, so now, all right, so we're gonna move on to foundations. Everyone sitting back down, I would like you to put your tapping hands up, okay? Just like we do in class, I want you to tap out the sounds that you hear. I will wait for everyone to be ready, all right? Okay, if you put your tapping hands by your cheek, I will better be able to see it, okay? All right, great, here we go. The first one is chest. Ch, e, s, t. Let's do it again. Ch, e, s, t. Great. Stick. S, t, I, k. Let's do it again. Stick. S, t, I, k. All right, next one is chimp. Ch, I, p. Do it again. Ch, I, p. Great. Shot. Sh, a, t. Whip. W, I, p. Let's do it again. W, I, p. Next one. White. W, I, t. Do it again. W, I, t. Chase. Ch, a, s. Chase. Ch, a, s. Great. And take. T, a, k. Great job. All right, so I want to go over these welded sounds with you, the glued sounds, all right? And then we're going to focus on one. So I will say it, and then you will repeat after me, okay? A-L-L, ball, all. A-M, ham, am. A-N, fan, an. A-N-G, fang, ang. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-G, lung, ung. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-K, junk, unk. Great job. Okay, so the glued sound that we're going to focus on today, my friends, is I-N-K. When you hear I-N-K, it says ink. Everyone say ink. Okay, so if I put, okay, let's say if I put I'm going to get a different color for you. If I put a T-H in front of it, ready? Let's read these words. The ink. Do it with me. The ink. Think. Good job. You do not say ink. It has one sound. I-N-K. When you see that, it says ink. Okay? All right, let's try another one. What if I put this letter in front of it? Ready? Let's try it. S, ink. Do it with me. S, ink. Sink. Thumbs up if you got that one. Great. All right. We're going to try another one. And, ooh, this one has a blend. So ready? We're going to have to do two sounds for this one. Ready? Let's tap it out. All ink. Do it with me. All ink. Clink. Say clink. Good job. Okay. Let's move on. We are going to do, here's another one with a blend, my friends. Let's see, ready? Let's tap this one out. B-er. ink. Brink. Let's do it together. Ink. Brink. Thumbs up if you got that one. Good job. And let's see, I think that was it. Okay, so now I would like you to get your Fundations paper, okay? I would like you to get your Fundations paper. We're going to tap out the words and you are going to spell them now, okay? So show me your pencil. Good job. Daniel, do you have your pencil? Okay. All right, everyone, get some paper and we're going to do the word think first. Ready? Tap it out. Ink. So let's write What is the digraph TH. So write that down. The ink. Now remember, ink is the glued sound. It is INK. So let's write that. The ink. So look on your page. If this is how you wrote it, thumbs up. Good job. All right, leave a space, okay, friends? And we are going to do the word clink. Let's tap it out first. Ink. Remember, ink is a glued sound. Let's tap it out one more time. Ink. So let's do the first sound. Go ahead and write the K sound. Good. All right, let's write the second sound. Ready? O. Now let's do the third sound. Ink. INK. Thumbs up if you got that correct. Good job. All right. Let's do the next word, okay? Let's tap out the word brink. Brink. Ready? Ink. Let's do it again. Ink. Okay, let's tap out. Let's write the first sound. B. Let's tap the second sound. And ink. Ink is a glued sound. What three letters are you going to write for ink? INK. Very good. So write that. Thumbs up when you are finished with that word. Great. All right. We have two more words that you guys are going to spell. This one is sink. Let's tap it out first. Ink. Look, do you see how my three fingers are together because they're glued? Ink. So let's write the first sound that you hear. All right. Now let's write the glued sound. Ink. What three letters make up the glued sound ink, friends? INK. Great. All right. And I think we have one more. We do. All right, ready? This word is blink. Let's tap it out with our fingers first. B-O-ink. B-O-ink. So let's write the first sound. B. Okay, let's write the second sound. B-O. And then let's write our last sound, which is the glued sound, my friends. B-O-ink. Thumbs up when you are finished with that. Good job, friends. Good job. Awesome. Great. All right, we have, since we left school on March 13th, I really have not, been able to go over the sight words with you every day like we did in the classroom. So I want to be able to do that with you now, okay? So I'm going to show you the sight word flashcards. You're going to say them to me, okay? All right, here they are. 2, funny, into, want. I can see your mouths. I can see you saying them. So if you're not saying the sight words, I could see that you are not. So please participate, okay, friends? What's this word? Hour. Jump. Good job. Good. Soon. Be. She. Went. Now. What? This. White. That. 3. There. Get. Was. Black. Please. Ride. Has. Run. New. As. His. Under. Good job. Did. Who. Where. Find. They. Say. Or. Good job, friends. Actually, those are all the sight words that we would have been practicing every day since the time we got out of school back in March. So you kind of missed a lot, but don't worry because I'm going to go over them for every lesson. We have one last thing to do, and we're going to write the sentence for the day. Does everyone have a pencil in their foundations paper? Okay. Ready? The sentence is this. I wash my hands in the sink. Say it. I wash my hands in the sink. Now, my friends, I'm going to write the word wash on the board because that is not a word that you should know how to spell at this point. So I'm going to write it on here. Wash is spelled W-A-S-H. Wash. But before you start to write, boys and girls, let's tap out the word hands. Ready? Put your tapping hands up. So when you get to the word hands, you can tap it out on your own. Hands. Ready? H-A-N-D-S. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. So it's like your hand. H-A-N, hand. H-A-N-D. And then you add an S at the end. So ready? I will repeat the sentence. I wash my hands in the sink. This is how you spell wash. I wash my hands in the sink. 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 When you are finished, you can do a thumbs up, but I'm going to give my other friends some time to finish. I wash my hands in the sink. Boys and girls, make sure your sentence starts with a capital letter, so it has to have an uppercase I, okay? I wash my hands in the sink. I wash my hands. Let me tap out hands again. H, A, N, D, and then add an S, because it's plural. Hands. H, A, N, D, S. I wash my hands in the sink. Now for sink, boys and girls, remember the S, ink. Ink is the glued sound that we are talking about today. Ink is spelled I-N-K. I wash my hands in the sink. Oh, good job. Zanaya's finished. I wash my hands in the sink. Daniel, are you finished? Good job. Manuel, are you finished? Let's see. I wash my hands in the sink. Okay, we're going to do a guided drawing. Now remember, your drawing is supposed to match your picture, correct? Yes? Okay, so now, let's see. I wash my hands in the sink. So it has to be a picture of you, right? If it says the word I. So I'm just going to draw Mrs. Pettit, and you guys can draw yourself. Now I'm going to put both of my hands forward because I'm going to be washing my hands in the sink, right? So go ahead and draw yourself. And then I'm going to draw a rectangle. We're going to be actually using some of these words that we learned in math, the shapes, because the sink can kind of look like a rectangle. And then I'm going to draw the faucet. Okay? I'm going to draw the faucet. And then here's the water coming out. Oh, I can't forget my soap. Right, boys and girls? Can't forget my soap. So I'm going to put the soap right here. And I'm going to write it out. S-O-A-P, soap. Because we should be using soap to wash our hands. Oh, maybe I need like a side view of me. So here's me. And I'm smiling because I like to get all those germs off of my hands when I'm washing them. Right, friends? Oh, I see you working so hard, so diligently. Good job, everyone. Good job. I'm so happy to see all of you today. All right. All right, so boys and girls, this is the last thing that we actually had to do for our lesson for the day. If you are not finished with your picture, you can continue to go ahead and you can color it and do whatever you want to do. But it was so nice to see all of you today. I will be back on again tomorrow. Thumbs up if you think you're going to come on tomorrow to watch for the next lesson. Great. But that is it for today. I do have another meeting that I have to go to in just like 10 minutes, so we're going to call it a day, okay? So you guys have a wonderful day. If you guys want to take it off of mute for 1 second just to say